Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amelia Sarapova with NIM 2311054. Today I'm going to explain about understanding a business email structure. Welcome to this presentation about writing professional business emails. We're going to explore the key. First, business email structure. Welcome to this presentation about writing professional business emails. We're going to explore the key components of a business email using be going to and present continuous tense. Throughout this presentation, we're examining how to structure clear and effective business communication. We're going to focus on grammar like be going to. It's usually used for future plans and intention. And the second is present continuous. This one is used for arrangements in the future or actions happening now. Okay, first one, email address. The email address is the unique identifier that ensures your message is delivered to the intended recipient. Like this, to linula.yamada.compa.com. For example sentence, I am going to send this email to our marketing department. It's be going to show because it's showing intention. Okay. Second example is we are sending weekly updates to all department heads. This one is present continuous, ongoing action. For the explanation the first one is I am going to send. It shows a future plan or intention to send an email. The second one, it's the we are sending, indicates a regular action that is happening now or arranged for the future. Okay, and now it's subject line. The subject line briefly summarizes the purpose of your email. It should be clear, concise, and informative. Subject like quarterly marketing budget review action required. For the example sentence, I am going to include our project code in the subject line. It's be going to because it's planned action. The second one is the team is developing new subject line templates for our campaigns. It's present continuous because it's ongoing process. And the explanation is the first one is I am going to include. It shows a plain feature about that the writer intends to do. The second one is the team is developing describe an action in progress right now. Okay, now is greeting. The greeting or the salutation sets the tone for your email and acknowledges the recipient. For example, I am going to address the CEO formally in my email. It's be going to because it's intention. The second one is we are using more personalized greetings in our customer emails. It's present continuous because it's ongoing practice. Like this, formal, dear Mr. Aizawa, but semi-formal is hello Linula. and informal is hi team. Explanation. I am going to dress. The first one is I am going to dress. That indicates a future intention about how the writer plans to greet someone. The second one, the second is we are using describe. That's describe a current practice that is happening right now. And we're going to opening sentence. The opening sentence introduces the purpose of your email and provide context for the recipient. Like, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing regarding the marketing budget for Q3 that we discussed in last week's meeting. For example sentence, the first one is I am going to start my email by referencing our previous conversation. It's be going to because it's planned. The second one is I am writing to inquire about the status of our order. It's present continuous because it's current action. And explanation is the first one is I am going to start. It shows a planned approach for beginning the email. The second one is I am writing. It's used the present continuous to explain that the writer is doing right now. And we're going to email body content. The body of the email contains your main message. It should be clear, concise, and well structured. Like this. After reviewing the Q3 projection, I noticed that we are likely to excess our marketing budget by approximately 50%. This is primarily this is primarily due, due to the increased cost of digital advertising and the new product launch scheduled for September. The attached report shows a breakdown of the expenses by category. For example sentence, the first one is we are going to implement the new strategy starting next month. It's be going to because it's a future plan. The second one is the marketing team is preparing detailed reports for the upcoming meeting. It's present continuous because it's ongoing actions. The explanation is the first one is we are going to implement. It indicates a planned future action the company intends to take. The second one is the marketing team is preparing. It it's it describe an action currently in progress. Now it's adding detail. Supporting details provide necessary information and context to help the recipient understand your message. Like this. Specifically, the following costs have increased, like Google Ads, social media campaigns, and content creation. For example sentence, first one is I am going to provide specific data points to support my request. It's be going to get its intention. The second one is our research team is analyzing the customer feedback as we speak. It's present continuous because it's action in progress. And the explanation is the first one I am going to provide. It shows the writer's intention to include specific information. The second one is our research team is analyzing. It's, It's describe a current ongoing process. Now we're going to call to action. The call to action clearly states what you want the recipients to do after reading your email. Could could we scoot a 30 minutes meeting this week to discuss strategies for managing this budget variance? I'm available Monday, 3rd, Wednesday between 2 4 p.m. Example sentence like the first one is we are going to request feedback by Friday at the latest. It's be going to because it's intention. And the second one is I am waiting for your approval to proceed with the project. It's present continuous because it's ongoing states. The explanation. The first explanation is we because it use we are going to request. It shows a planned future action regarding asking for feedback. The second one is I am waiting. It describes a current continuing state. The action of waiting is happening now. Now is closing or solution. The closing wraps up your email and signals the end of your message. It should match the tone of your greeting, like formal, sincere, Shota Aizawa, semi-formal, best regards, Aizawa, informal, thanks, Aizawa. The example sentence is the first one is I am going to close my email with best regards. Since it's a professional context, it's going to because intention. The second one is the company is standardizing email signatures across all departments. It's present continuous because it's ongoing process. Explanation. The first is I say I am going to close. It indicates the writer's plan for how to end the email. The second one is the company standardizing. It's describe an ongoing process happening at the company. Now it's attachment. Attachment provide additional documents or files that support your email. Always mention attachment in your email body. Like this, reference in email. Please see the attached budget report for more detail. Like this, attach notification the file. For example sentence, the first one is I am going to attach the latest version of our proposal. It's be going to because intention, and the two is our team is compiling the necessary documentation for your review. It's present continuous because it's ongoing action. The explanation. The first one is it say I am going to attach. It shows the writer's intention to include a file with the email. The second one is our team is complaining. It describes an action that is currently in progress. Now, this is complete business email example. You can see it here. Here's the example, the complete business email example. So that's it today. Thank you all for listening to me. Bye bye.